In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Monday.com. We'll walk through building a reusable email layout using the Supermail app so you can send consistent professional emails straight from your Monday boards. First, open the relevant project board inside your Monday.com account. This is the board where you've already installed or added the Supermail app from the Monday Marketplace. Once the board is open, look for the Supermail view or app at the top of the screen and click on it. This will open the Supermail Workspace where you design and manage your email templates. Inside Supermail, find the option to create a new template and click on it. You'll be taken to the template editor. Here, choose the HTML editor. This gives you a drag-and-drop style builder where you can visually design the layout of your email without needing to write code. After selecting the HTML editor, confirm by clicking on Create Template so you start with a fresh canvas. Next, you'll see different sections and elements you can work with. Begin by selecting the main highlighted area where the sender or account email is configured and choose the email address you want to use for sending. Once you've selected that, click into the highlighted content area and type the initial text you want to show in your template, such as an introduction or greeting. On the left or right side of the editor, depending on your setup, you'll see content blocks like text, heading, social, and columns. Click on text to add body copy, then heading if you want a clear title or section headers in your email. Use the social option to add icons linking to your social media profiles, which helps make your template more complete and branded. To organize your layout, click on columns and choose a structure such as 25% columns for multiple narrow sections. After you've inserted columns, click Add Content inside those columns and choose elements like text, button, and divider. Text allows you to add details. Button is great for call to action links, and divider helps visually separate sections. You can fine-tune each content block by clicking on it, adjusting or deleting anything you don't need. Use the content options to modify or remove items, and use menu options to access additional settings. When you're happy with how your email looks, go to the menu, click Save to store your new template, and finally click Close to exit the editor. Your email template is now ready to use inside Monday.com with Supermail.